Hello students, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to learn the single answer for the poem, first module poem, intermediate first year for the current second year batch. For first year, first module, first poem is A Little Grain of Gold. Single answer for the poem, A Little Grain of Gold by Rabindranath Tagore. So here we go now. Rabindranath Tagore, so he was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. He was a prolific writer and he composed our national anthem Janagana Mana. So his Nobel Prize winning compilation Geetanjali, it was written in 1912, is a collection of song offerings celebrating the glory of God. And the present poem is also taken from Geetanjali only. So it's song number 50. Okay, so here in this poem, the speaker is a beggar. So he was on begging grounds. One day he saw the king of all kings, monarch, the emperor, coming his way in a gorgeous chariot, golden chariot. So the beggar's hopes rose high. He was excited, thinking that he would receive some money, okay, from the king. But the king, to the beggar's shock, to everyone's shock and surprise, asked him what he would give. First of all, the beggar thought that it was a joke, it was a cruel joke. Then he thought that the king was serious. He took out the smallest grain of corn from his bag and gave it to the king unwillingly, reluctantly. That evening, after going home, and the beggar, to his surprise and shock, found a tiny, small piece of gold in his arms. So, what is the meaning of the word alms? So, money or food given to the poor. From his bag, a small, tiny piece of gold he found. Then he realized his mistake. He bitterly wept. Okay, so then he confessed that I bitterly wept and wished that I had had the heart to give thee my all. The beggar wished that he had had the heart to give his all to him. So I gave a small little grain of corn. In return, the God gave me a little grain of gold. Had I given the complete bag, had I given the complete corn, okay, so total corn to the king when he asked me, definitely I would have received that much of gold. So I missed a golden opportunity. I missed the chance. I missed the chance. Okay. So in this way, now he is weeping. Now he is crying bitterly. Now he is bitterly weeping. So what is the use after it is over? So what is the use of crying now? Everything is gone. So in this way, God tests us in various forms. Here, the king is none other than God, Almighty God, and beggar is a common man. Beggar means we, common men. Okay, so God gives, and forgives. Man gets, and forgets. Okay, so now we have four annotations at the end of the lesson. The first one is, thy golden chariot appeared in the distance like a gorgeous dream. Second one is, what hast thou to give to me? Here, thou, thee, thy means old English words for you. Hast means have or has. Okay. Third one, I slowly took out the least little grain of corn and gave it to thee. Okay, gave it to you like that. I bitterly wept. Fourth one, I bitterly wept and wished that I had had the heart to give thee my all, to give you my all. That's the meaning. Okay. Now we have here three questions. First one is, why did the beggar's hopes rise on seeing the king's chariot? Why did the beggar's hopes rise on seeing the king's chariot? Second one, why did the beggar weep bitterly that night? Next one is, the wise say, we reap what we sow. We reap what we sow. As you sow, so you reap. Does the poem A Little Grain of Gold support the saying, support the proverb quotation? How? Explain, justify. Among these three, the second one is the most important question, frequently asked question. For all the annotations and question answers, I am giving you same answer, single answer. It will be very helpful to you, very handy for you at the last moment preparation. Okay. Now, in this way, we have to write the single answer. First, introduction. This is for all the annotations. Introduction. These lines are taken from the poem A Little Grain of Gold, written by Rabindranath Tagore. He was a writer, musician, painter, and educationist. He was the composer of our national anthem. We can add one more sentence also. He was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. In this way, we have to write about the lesson and something about the author in the first paragraph. It is called introduction. So we can underline also introduction in this way. Underline. Okay. So a little grain of gold. Bold means it should be underlined. Rabindranath Tagore, bold means it should be underlined like this. So whichever words are bold here, they should be underlined. Next, context. The present poem is taken from his book Gitanjali. It tells us about the importance of giving rather than taking. Okay, it tells us about the importance of giving. Giving comes first than taking. Okay, yeah. Explanation. Now, third part. The speaker of the poem is a beggar. One day he saw the king of all kings coming his way in a golden chariot. He was excited, thinking that he would get plenty of alms. But the king asked him what he would give. He slowly took out the least little grain of corn from his bag and gave it to the king. That evening, the beggar found a least little grain of gold in his arms. He wept bitterly. He wished he had the heart to give his all to the king, who in fact was God. Who in fact was God. G should be capital letter. Okay. Now, same thing, almost same for a single answer for all paragraph questions. Now, we can use the headings like this. Instead of introduction, we say here about the author. Instead of context, we can write about the poem. Instead of explanation for the same content, we use the side heading topic. So without side heading also we can write. This is the paragraph question. Without side heading also we can write. So about the author, the poem A Little Grain of Gold was written by Rabindranath Tagore. He was a writer, musician, painter, and educationist. About the poem, the present poem is taken from his book Gitanjali. It tells us about the importance of giving rather than taking. So topic same, just you compare these two, same matter. The speaker of the poem is a beggar. One day he saw the king of all kings coming his way in a golden chariot. He was excited, thinking that he would get plenty of alms. But the king asked him what he would give. He slowly took out the least little grain of corn from his bag and gave it to the king. That evening, the beggar found a least little grain of gold in his arms. He wept bitterly. He wished he had the heart to give his all to the king, who in fact was God. At the end of the question answer, you can write this quotation also. If you want to write next line, you can write this quotation under inverted commas. God gives and forgives. Okay, semicolon. Man gets and forgets. Okay, in this way also we can write same. Okay, but different side headings. Here we say introduction, context, explanation. Here we say about the author, about the poem, topic for the same matter. So this is the difference between writing annotation and question answer. Hope that you have enjoyed this video. So it will be useful to you for the next lesson also. So please keep watching my videos. Please like, share my videos with your friends. Okay, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.